is the Dreamy Elton Pro, the smart vacuum and mopping robot. This robot right here will change your entire way of living. With its advanced navigation, 4000 PA vacuum strength and a state-of-the-art mapping system, it genuinely and truly shocked me. My name is Fimi from fmgtech.com, and here is why I love this product a lot. Having a robotic vacuum cleaner in your life means that you never have to worry about taking chunks out of your free time for vacuuming and mopping. The robot comes in a package like this, and you will get the Elton Pro robot, a docking and charging station, mopping pad, side brush, user manual and a quick start guide. If you like to buy this Dreamy Elton Pro robot, you can find this product link in the video description or in the first pinned comment. There are two things I really like about this robot. One is its precise navigation and 3D mapping system, and the second is its incredible 4000 PA strong suction power. First, let's talk about its 3D mapping system. The Dreamy Elton Pro robot comes with a LiDAR sensor to create a 3D map of your house for precise navigation and object detection. This uses pulsating lasers to figure out dimensions of what's around it. If you look through the app, you can see in real time how it is using its LiDAR sensors to map out the area. This laser sensor helps the robot to get better and better each time. It always understands the entire environment and figures out the most efficient ways to get around the space that it's on. It then saves that info internally, and the second time we use it in the same area, it already has a complete understanding of the entire floor plan. The best part is it's not just one room or one floor. It can remember multiple floors in its internal memory. If you pick it up and take it anywhere and provide it's been to that floor before, it uses its LiDAR sensors to identify which one it is and start cleaning accordingly. The LiDAR sensors are capable of scanning at a radius of 8 meters, and the robot plans all the movement for the 8 meters ahead. The problem I had with our old robotic vacuum cleaner is it gets stuck on things. Sometimes we have uneven floors, or sometimes the floor separators may block its way. So Dreamy brings an automatic recovery system into it. That means even if it gets stuck somewhere, it fixes itself. The combination of its sensors and the ridged wheels helps it to know when it's stuck, and then it tries different movements and climbs its way out of it. What often traps a robot vacuum is no longer a threat to Elton Pro. Even with all of these features, there are some places you don't want the robot to go. As this robot has mapped out the entire floor plan, you can draw invisible walls inside the map, and the robot considers it as a real wall and it doesn't try to cross it. That's so nice. Another great feature is the cliffs detection. Weird feature name for a robotic vacuum cleaner, but what it does is it detects the floor levels and it doesn't fall. Okay, the second thing, the 4000 PA strong suction power. This Elton Pro uses a powerful brushless motor that gives an incredibly strong suction power for vacuuming. It can literally pick up everything in one single go. The vacuum strength is really amazing. Inside the top lid, you have a 570 ml dust box with an easy opening for cleaning. apart from just vacuuming the floor, it is also a mop. You can fill water inside this 270 ml water tank and slide in the mopping cloth. The robot controls the water used for mopping and cleans the floor accordingly. Mopping with water always cleans the floor better. To make the cleaning more efficient, this Elton Pro detects the surfaces. It has a little sensor on the bottom that finds what kind of surface it is on and changes what it's doing based on that response from the sensor. If it is on a carpet, it automatically increases the suction power so that it can pull out the dirt that's trapped inside. Okay, now let's check out the setup. To control the Dreamy Elton Pro robot, first you need to install the MI Home app. Once you connect the robot to your Wi-Fi network, you can control all the features that it offers through the app. You can schedule cleanups and you will get all the notifications about the robot on your phone. You can also remotely control your vacuum cleaner, or you can link it with Amazon Alexa for smart home automation rules. The robot comes with a 5200 mAh battery that's good for up to 2.5 hours of single cleaning time. It automatically returns to the dock and charges itself each time the battery is low. Dreamy Elton Pro costs $490 and you can find the link in the description of this video. If you enjoy videos like this one, then a sub to the channel would be so great. Thank you for watching our videos. See you guys next time. Bye.